Hello guys, welcome to our channel Kanak Info Systems. Today we'll be learning how to make a website with the help of Odoo website builder. So we'll be replicating the same page in the website builder. So let's get started. Now this is the dashboard, okay? So we'll be going to the website and then we'll go to website. Now the home page will appear. So to edit this home page, we'll straight away go to the edit. Now you can see these are blocks over here. So now we can use these blocks to drag anything we want, a cover, a banner, text image, title as you can see here, or a heading. So first of all, if you remember the layout, we'll be drawing the block image text. So now as I've drawn image text, I want to change its style. So first of all, I want to add a layout in this. So basically I'll go to the background and add this shapes. So now these shapes are here. So I'll check which one I want. So I want this one, right? Secondly, I want next thing is that I'll change this image. So for this image, we'll click on the image and then we'll go to the replace. Now I want to replace it with this, right? Now the next thing which I want to do is edit this section. So for editing this section, I'll be clicking on this section. I'll be writing here your wish, our command, right? And then below this I will be obviously changing this, so I'll be writing here this. We are a company providing best services in the Odoo ERP, Oracle, NetSuite, digital marketing. Business analytics, app development, from over a decade. Now as we have edited this whole, so I want to edit this background. So I'll be clicking on the block and then I'll be changing the color from here, right? So I want this color, so the color is like this, and next color which I want is a light blue. Next color is this. Now if I want to change this infographic color, I'll straight away go down and scroll and I'll go to the dynamics color. So with the dynamics color I can change the color I want. So I will be going with this color, right? Next thing, if I want to change the text color, I'll be going with this, and then I'll just go to this and I'll change the text color to blue, and another color again I want the same color, so I'll go and change the text color again with the blue. Now I don't want this, so obviously I'll be leaving this. And obviously I'll be removing this box. Now the next thing I want is a badge over here. So I'll go to the block and I'll find for a badge. So here in the inner content, you'll find this badge. I want this to be placed here. So now when I wanted this to be placed here, I'll simply go and click on the badge to edit this, right? So once I start editing it, I want to change the background color. So I'll simply change the background color to this, right? Now next what I want to change is the text. So I'll simply highlight the text, and obviously I want it a little big, so I'll go with 18, and I'll change the text to contact us, and its color obviously to white. There you go, with white. Now you can see the badge here, so I'll be clicking on the badge here, right, and I can change this badge. Now to the media, I'll go with the replace, and here I can find many infographics, so I'll go with this infographic here. And now you can change the size. I want the size as 2x. You can also change the color of this icon. I want it as white, right? So here we have prepared the first block. Now if you want to add some link to this contact us, you'll simply highlight it, and you'll simply go to the link insertion, and you can highlight anything you want. Like if I want to highlight any link, I'll be going with www.kanakinfosystem.com/contact us, right? As the link has been added, next block should be there. So let's move ahead. The next block I wanted as text image, so I'll drag and drop it here, right? So again I'll be changing the shape, that is origin. So let's go to the, I want it as origin 5, and I need the color, that should be blue. I want the background to be there. So the next thing I'll be doing here is change the image. Again, we'll click on the image, we'll go to the replace, and I want the image this. After that, obviously I'll be changing the headline, and I'll go with the about us, and I'll be changing this. So I've already copy pasted, so I'll be pasting it. So now I want to align this, so here's how I align. I'll be stretching it a little bit, and I'll try to align it as much as I can. Now let's change its color. So I want about us to be white, so obviously I'll change it to white, and similarly the introduction to be white, I'll change it to white. Is to remove this block, so obviously I'll be removing it. I have removed it. So as you can see, our second block is ready. We'll be moving to the next block. So the next block I want is as heading. So I'll find the heading from this block section, and I'll put it like this. Now I can even format the layout of the heading. So again, in the background section, I'll go with the shape, and I'll be going with the shape and selecting it whatever suits me. So for me, I'll be going it, let's see here. So I'll be going with the rainy 09, and obviously I'll change the background color to blue, and then we'll be changing the title. I'll be putting the title as our services, and I'll be changing the title color to white, or let's say blue. Now, as the title has been changed, let's move to the next block. I want the next block as image gallery, so I'll be dragging and dropping it here. So I'll click on this, and I don't want any round indicators, so I'll go with none. I want this stretched to 100%, so I'll do this. Alright, so we can experiment a little more. We can make it 50% or leave it at Odoo. Here it is. So now I want to replace the image. So I'll go with the replace and I want the image this. Now I can change the layout of this. So if I want to change the layout of this, again I'll click on the box and I'll go to the background and I'll click on shape. Now let's see which shape I want to keep. I want to keep it as, let's find a good one. So I'll be going with the wavy. Now let's change the color of wavy. I'll change this color to this. Okay. Now I'm adjusting it a little bit. If I want to add transition, I can even add transition to this. I'll click on the box. And here, with no animation, I can add the animation. So I'll be adding zoom out or zoom in. So right now this slide is prepared. So, we'll move on to the next slide. And for the next slide, we'll again drag the heading block. Now we will again change the title to our clients. I want to change its color, so I'll be highlighting it and changing its color to blue. And I want to change the shape. So I'll obviously go to the background again and go to the shape. And this time I'll be going with wavy too. And obviously I'll the background as blue. So this block is again completed. So we'll move to the next block. The next block I will choose as the references. So let's find the references. The reference, and we'll again drop it here. So I don't want this. I don't want this. I want to change these pictures. So I'll click on the box. Here the images you can see. For removing these images, we'll simply click on the image and we'll replace it. Here, we'll replace it again with this, we'll replace it. This, we'll replace it. And again I've replaced it with, we have repeated it. What's up? Yeah. So these are the references, these are the clients we have put it. Now, as this block is completed, we'll again move forward to the next block. After that, we'll be again move forward the heading. I'll change the heading to meet or team. Again, I want a different background, so I'll go with the shape. I'll want this as, let's keep it this, but I want to flip it upside down. So I'll be flipping it upside down and like from here. Right. So now I'll be changing the color text with white. And I want this color to be a little dark blue. Here. Right. So now this block is completed. We'll move to the final block. Now I want the final block as team. So I'll drag and drop the team feature over here, and here's the final block which is ready. Now I don't want to edit in these things. So next thing which we'll be learning to edit is the footer. So for the footer, we'll click on this and I'll just copy paste the address. And then the next thing is I want to add the contact. So I'll be clicking here and I'll be adding class 91 and the number. And here I'll be adding our company's email, that is sales@infosystem.com. So now that's how we have made a whole website, an Odoo website builder with just drag and drop. Okay. Now we'll save this page. Once it will be saved, it will appear as your home page. So that's how your home page looks like. Thank you for watching this video. We will be coming with more new videos. So please subscribe to our channel and like this video.